Samsung's upcoming flip foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, has leaked extensively in renders and blurry hands-on images over the last few weeks. The Flip 5's bigger cover display should be its key highlight, providing a lot more real screen estate to enable new use cases. Rumors even suggest Google will optimize some of its apps for the flip phone's outer display. Now some marketing renders show the expanded functionality made possible by the Flip 5's larger cover screen. Posted by Roland Quant before being taken down, the official-looking images we can see the Galaxy Flip 5 from a few angles. That includes seeing the device propped up at a few angles while taking selfies, as well as close from the side of the device, where we can see there's no hinge gap. Some dummy models of the Flip 5 raised doubt that the gap might be eliminated, but it's nice to see that's not the case. The most interesting bit, though, is certainly the cover display on Flip 5, where we're finally seeing what it can actually do. 6 screenshots show a wallet app with a flight boarding pass, a full-screen calendar widget, a weather app called History, a time and battery widget with a custom photo, and also the ability to reply to a message using a full keyboard on the Galaxy Flip 5 cover display. Samsung's past Flip models have been criticized for their small cover displays, but as other brands have expanded the size, they've been equally criticized for restricting functionality. Oppo's Find N2 Flip, for instance, lacks support for apps and is limited to a small list of widgets and still doesn't support a full keyboard, though there are unofficial fixes for both. Based on this image, it seems device will be the same when it comes to cover screen functionality. There's no sign of full apps here, though there are rumblings of some Google apps showing up on that outer display. Still, Galaxy Flip 5's new cover display looks like a huge upgrade, and we'll be interested to try it out for ourselves in the weeks to come. Beyond those images, Quant also posted an image of Galaxy Z Fold 5, showing the foldable closed up from the bottom side. There we get our best look yet is the gapless hinge design, which is looking much thinner. There's not much time left for the unveiling of the device, and we can clearly see that all the rumors are pointing towards the Z Flip 5's upgrade, and it could be a star off the show too. So what are your thoughts on these cover display images? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.